Thank you for watching, and in this video we are going to cover how to position holes in a 3D. So as you know, by using Hole Wizard we can place holes on flat surfaces or planes, but by using the same exact tool we can place our holes on 3D structures as well. So what we can do is, as you can see, we have an example part here. So what we can do is we can go into the features, and into the ribbon section there is an option for Hole Wizard. So in Hole Wizard I'm gonna select this straight tab, and then into the standards I'm gonna select NC metric, and then I can choose my size, whatever the size I want. So I don't like M6, I would say I'm gonna go with M5. So let's go with M5, and then the end condition you can change whatever the end condition you want. I want to have a blind end condition. Okay, and then there are a couple of other options if you want to change, but I am okay with them. So what I can do is I can go into the positions, and you can just notice, like, because we didn't select any sketch before entering into the Hole Wizard, so that's why we have no option to create holes. So what we need to do is we need to select, because this is a 3D body, so here is the option to create holes on a multiple faces. Click 3D sketch. So we need to select a 3D sketch because we did not select any face or plane before entering into this tool. So I'm gonna select 3D sketch, and now wherever I will bring my mouse, so you can see, like, no matter on which surface or which plane, so I can place some holes. Suppose I want to place a hole here, suppose I want to place hole here and one hole here, or if I want to go into the bottom face, so I can just go and place one of my hole here. And if you think like you are satisfied with it, so what you can do is you can just go and click the green check mark, and I just need to click the green check mark. So I have my holes here. But the thing is, if you don't like these holes and you want to change, so the thing is, like, it's always recommended before going into the Hole Wizard you should have some sketches. So in that way you can have your holes on exact location wherever you want to place your holes. So if you don't like it, you can go into the history tab and you can hide this feature. Okay, in my boss or base extrude, what I want to do is I want to select a face, and then I'm gonna sketch, and I'm gonna sketch a polygon here. Like this. And then what I can do is I can just select the whole body just for construction, because I'm using this polygon only to make holes. So I'm just gonna click the green check mark and then exit the sketch. And after that, what I can do is I can just bring this this cursor down here, and I can go into the features, which is tapped holes, and then I can go into that features, and then I can edit the feature. So what I can do now here, like, I can just go into the positions and I can place my holes wherever I want to place, because I have a polygon here. So I can just choose the corners like this. And if you want to go out of the command, you can press escape, or you can just press this point. Okay, so we are out of the command now. So as we already have a hole, so what I can do is I can just select this point and I can bring it to the wherever I want to draw it. So I want to put it on this corner of the polygon. So I just pick it, hold, press my cursor, or you can just hold the control key on your keyboard, and then you can drop it here. So in this way I can move my holes as well. And if you don't like what you can do, you can just select and press a delete key on your keyboard, and you can just get rid of extra holes. So if you are fine with it, what you can do is you can just click the green check mark. Okay, look, in this way I have my holes in very organized way and to the exact location where I want to have. So it is always recommended you should have a sketch before entering into the Hole Wizard. But like, if you want to draw some holes on your 3D, then you don't need to select your sketch or your body before entering into the Hole Wizard. So in my point of view, this is a really powerful tool. By using the Hole Wizard, you can have some industry standards, holes and slots and threads and everything. And that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. And if you are a serious SolidWorks learner, then don't forget to check the course link in the description. Thank you. Sorry for distraction, but if you think my videos are helpful for you, or if you are a serious SolidWorks learner, I am gonna highly recommend you can go into the description of this video, where you can find my course link, in which I have over 10 hours of videos in which I explain each and every command in a detailed way. Thank you.